Flyvie is creating a revolution in flight training. For the first time ever, a visual recording of your flight experience and a 3D representation of your flight with external radio and CFI comments.
The Flyvie system allows me to record my students' flight, and that is a camera looking out of the front, like the one you might be able to see there, and one looking down at the instrument panel. In addition, we have a flight recording device that goes and takes that GPS data and lays it onto Google Earth at the end and allows me to tag the flights. What that does for me is it allows me to take and debrief that student with that exact flight. Remember, here's the key thing. Only 20% of what you say as a CFI is actually being heard by your student. You get the other 80% with the Flyvie system.
Let's warm up with one steep turn before we begin our stalls, just to kind of get the feel of the plane.
What I do at home is actually go over and over again only on this little portion of the final, because I can tag it and I can jump right to the final again and again.
It looks like it's pretty much down the runway. I'm trying to stay on my glide slip, right over red is what you want to see. And not doing much of anything special here. Just kind of keep it coming down. So you're going to hold slow, but control, add some power.
So every lesson is very, very expensive. What Flyvie enables me to do is relive the lesson over and over again, one-to-one. I see everything that I saw like I'm sitting in the cockpit. I hear the external communication.
This is the system that I've been looking for many years. I've been teaching people to fly for over 30 years. And to me, it's ideal in the fact that everything's all in one spot. So they can watch the ground training, get to learn the ground training online. Then they can see the maneuvers done before they actually go do them. Then they can go up with me and we can capture it on the Flyvie system so that when we come back down, either we can debrief together watching it, or I can send them home with the SD card. They can watch the entire flight, pause it when they want to listen to me talking to them during that phase of flight. They can repeat it back and back and back as many times as they need to so it sets in. And so it's a total package from start to finish for a flight lesson, which is something that we've never had before.
I purchased Flyvie at Oshkosh 2009. Set up in the computer, in the plane, and then review on the computer. Why do we use Flyvie? We can show ahead of time to our participants what the runway is going to look like, the environment, anything around they need to be worried about. Very nice help, and people do use it.
Join Flyvie for a journey into the future of flight training, or take Flyvie for a journey of your own.
Altitude, if you like about here. And just pitch, a little bit of down, and just kind of close it on.